So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add a tracking number on Etsy website. So guys, for that you guys will have to open your browser and then search for etsy.com. After coming on their website, you guys will have to log into your account and then you guys will see this option right here called Shop Manager. Now click on this guys, and after coming on this page you guys will see the option right here called Orders and Delivery. Now click on this. And after that it will get you on this page. As you can see guys, I haven't get any orders yet, but for you guys you will definitely have some orders. And what will you have to do, that you have to select that particular order, and then you guys can able to see a option with the three dots. Now click on those three dots and then you guys can able to see a option called Add Tracking Number. And after clicking on that button guys, you just have to add your tracking number on that, and after saving that information it will get tracking your product on the Etsy website. So that's it for the video guys, and if you find this video helpful then please subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.